In this video, we're going to review 65 watts USB charger. These days, nearly every portable electronics has rechargeable battery. Your smartphone, tablet, headphones, and laptops. So if you're carrying a few or more devices with you all the time, you need to carry a separate wall charger for each one. And finding multiple outlets to plug in all these chargers can be a problem too. But all these problems can be resolved with Basia's 65 watts 3 ports mini USBC quick charger. 3 devices can be charged quickly at the same time. This charger has 2 USB-C ports with 1 USB-A port. One USB-C port is labeled to provide 65 watts and other provides 30 watts. And USB-A port is rated for 30 watts as well. This charger is compatible with virtually any device from phones to tablets to USB-C laptops and more. So the total output is 65 watts and there are different power output combinations. So if you use both USB-C ports at the same time, you will get 45 watts on C1 and 18 watts on C2 port. And if you use C1 port and USB-A port, then the output will be 45 watts for C1 and 18 watts for USB-A. And if you use USB-C 2 and USB-A port, then the output would be 3 amps, 15 watts. And if you use USB-C 1, USB-C 2 and USB-A port all together, the output will be limited to 45 watts for C1 and 15 watts for C2 and USB-A. So if you want 65 watts charging power for your laptop, then you need to have only one device connected. The charger is made of PC material with matte finish. The overall shape is slender with rounded side for better hand feel. The 65 watts USB-C charger is compatible with Apple, Samsung, and virtually all manufacturers. The 2019 MacBook Pro 15 comes with 87 watts charger, and holding them side by side you can see Basia's is extremely compact, nearly half the size of Apple MacBook Pro charger, and ability to charge multiple devices at the same time with additional USB ports. The Basia's 65 watts USB-C charger can charge Apple MacBook Air laptop 100% in 1.5 hours, and iPhone 2.5 times faster than a standard charger. And it took 15-inch MacBook Pro 2019 to 100% in 2.5 hours. So in our first test, we only connected 2019 MacBook Pro 15 to USB-C charger, and we're getting 60 watts charging on USB-C 1 port. According to manufacturer, in order to prevent some of the cabling problem, the USB-C 1 port turned off the 65 watts maximum output by default, which means you get 60 watt max for USB-C 1 by default. The way to enable 65 watt output is to plug and unplug the USB-C 2, then you can use 5A-E mark cable to pull the full 65 watts from USB-C 1 port. For second test, we have populated all 3 ports and connected a USB-C power bank to USB-C 2 port and iPhone XS Max on regular USB-A port and MacBook Pro 15 as well, all at the same time. And to my surprise, and as advertised, we are getting 45 watts charging for MacBook Pro, and other devices are getting full speed charging as well. The Basia 65 watt USB-C charger came with 65 watt charger adapter, a user manual, and weighs only 120 grams. The charger has a built-in intelligent chip that enables smart adjustment of output voltage. Via BPS tech, multiple devices are charged at the same time. It also avoids abnormal screen response, flashing, and battery damage. Overall, Basia's 65 watts USB-C PD GaN charger performed extremely well in this review and cost only $50 at the time of this review. It offers impressive specs and best power split strategy to date, covering all charging protocols. On that basis, I highly recommend Basia's 65 watt USB.